Good morning, all. Myself Nimit Jain from Arya College of Engineering IT. Today, my topic is time series. This is my agenda of a time series. What is a time series? The time series is a sequential set of data points measuring typical over successive times. Time series analysis comprises the method of analyzing time series data in order to extract meaningful statistics and other characteristics of a data. This is key terms is time domain versus frequency domain, univariate and multivariate. A time series containing record of single variable in terms of univariate. If record is more than one variable, then consider as a multivariate. Linear and non-linear. The time series model is said to be linear or non-linear depending on whether the current value of the series is linear or non-linear function is past observation. And discrete and continuous. In continuous time series, observations are measured of every instance of time, whereas discrete time series contain observation measured at discrete point at a time. The components of a time series is given by a general time series affected by four component: trend, seasonal, cycle, or irregular components. This is trend. The general tendency of a time series of increase, decrease, or strength over a long time of periods. The seasonal variation is given by this is the component expand functions with the year during the seasons, usually cause of climate and weather conditions, customers traditional habits. And then cyclic variation, this component describe the medium term changes caused by circumstances which repeat in the cycle. Duration of a cycle extend over a long period of time. This is one example: unemployed data in Australia. This is trend, a trend plus seasonal variation, and this is residual, which is also known as a error. Prediction based on simulated variables. Component of time series. The general time series affected four components: trend, seasonal, cyclic, or irregular. Component is given by irregular or random variation in time series are called by predictable influence, which are not regular and do not repeat the particular patterns. These are variation are caused by indices as a war, strike, earthquake, flood, etc. Combination of four components additive model is given by y of t, t of t, s of t, c of t, and I of t. Assumption these four components are independent of each other. Then multiple model is given by this. This is our objective of time series: compact description of data, interpretation, forecasting, control, hypothesis testing, and simulations. White noise and Gauss noises. A white noise, a simple time series, could be collections of uncollected random variable with zero mean, mu zero, and finite variance sigma square. And Gaussian white noise, a particularly useful white noise in Gaussian white noise where WT of independent number variable with denoted WT limited and 0 to sigma square. This is time series model. Time series model specifies the joint distribution of the sequence of random variable. For example, P xi x xi to all, where xi x2 is the stochastic process and x1 x2 is the single realization, where mostly restrict our attention to second order properties only, ext and all this thing. Time series model is continued is given by this example: white noise, and example independent and dependent variable. Then ARIMA model. ARIMA is the acronym that stands for auto regression integrate moving average. AR auto regression, MA moving average. AR MA have two widely used linear models that work stationary time series, where I is pre-processing process and S for sanitize the S for process. Notations given by PDQ, where P is the number of lag observation including in the model, D is the number of the times that we raw observation or difference, or also called the degree of the difference, and Q is the size of the moving average window called order of moving average. and value of 0 can be used on parameter which is indicate not to use elements. Other word, ARIMA model can be configured as a ARMA model, even a simple ARI or MA model. Then autoaggressive model, AR. Autoaggression model be based on the idea of current values on the series xt can be explained in the linear combination of p, x1, x2 and up to xt minus p together of random variables. Then MA. MA is name of misleading, but moving average model should be confused over moving average smoothing. And auto aggressive and moving average model, it means ARMA. Auto aggressive A, M and MA is a joint combination name is known as the ARMA model. The stationary value AMA PQ is given by XT, WT, phi 1, phi t and this all this thing. Then ARMA to ARMA, how we change ARMA to ARMA is given by this model, and definition of paradox is given by this. And seasonal ARIMA, one of the problem previous model will lack seasonality which we address by ARMA. If we use in seasonal variations, so we include by ARMA model. Thank you very much. I complete my chapter.